Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. Today we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrencies with a special focus on FLOKI INU. This Shiba Inu-inspired cryptocurrency has been making waves in the crypto world, but recently it seems to be facing a bit of a rough patch. Right now, FLOKI INU is experiencing a decline in its value. The once vibrant and bullish market now seems to be under the influence of sellers who are exerting significant pressure. This pressure is so profound that it's causing the formation of negative candles on the market charts. For those new to the crypto space, negative candles represent a period where the closing price was lower than the opening price, a clear indication of a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. At this very moment, the market is favoring the sellers, and FLOKI INU is feeling the heat. The cryptocurrency is currently priced at a fractional $0.00014,196. Today alone, it has experienced a drop of 2.68%, a move that has set tongues wagging and fingers tapping on the trading platforms. And it's not just the price that's making news. The trading volume of FLOKI INU, which stands at approximately $161.12 million, is also a significant part of the story. This high trading volume, coupled with the declining price, paints a picture of a market that is engaged in a fierce battle. As we speak, FLOKI INU is priced at $0.00014,196, having experienced a drop of 2.68% today, with a trading volume of $161.12 million. This is a clear indication of the market's bearish trend. Now let's turn our focus to the technical indicators and the trends they are pointing towards. As we delve deeper into the world of FLOKI INU, we find a series of technical indicators suggesting a bearish trend. This means that sellers are currently dominating the market, exerting pressure that is causing the cryptocurrency's value to decline. Technical indicators serve as an invaluable tool in the analysis of market trends. They provide insights into the potential direction of a market's price movement. In the case of FLOKI INU, the indicators are clearly pointing towards a bearish trend. But what does this mean? Simply put, a bearish trend is a downward trend in a market's prices. It is characterized by consistently lower highs and lower lows. In the world of crypto, this means that the digital currency's value is declining over time. The daily charts for FLOKI INU are painting a similar picture. They're showing a consistent downtrend with no signs of a bullish reversal on the horizon. This implies that the downward trend is expected to continue, at least for now. To further confirm the bearish trend, we can look at two specific technical indicators: the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements and is often used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in a market. In the case of FLOKI INU, the RSI is pointing towards further bearishness. This suggests that the sellers are still in control and that the market is far from being oversold. Similarly, the MACD, which is used to identify potential buy and sell signals, is also indicating a bearish trend. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it generates a bearish signal, which is exactly what we're seeing with FLOKI INU. The RSI and MACD indicators are both pointing towards a continued bearishness, suggesting that the market is far from bullish at this point. Understanding the support and resistance levels can provide us with important insights into the FLOKI INU's price movement. So, let's dive into this intriguing aspect of chart analysis. We're looking at support levels currently hovering around 0.0001165 and resistance levels at 0.000170045. Now, you might be wondering what these levels mean and how they can impact the price of FLOKI INU. Well, in the simplest terms, support levels are the price points where buying pressure is strong enough to overcome selling pressure, effectively preventing the price from falling further. They're like a safety net below the tightrope of price fluctuations, catching the falling price and bouncing it back up. On the other hand, resistance levels are the polar opposites of support levels. They are the price points where selling pressure overcomes buying pressure, preventing the price from rising further. Picture them as a ceiling, capping the upward momentum of the price. Now, these levels are not set in stone. They shift and change with market dynamics. When a price breaks through a resistance level, that level often becomes a new support level, and vice versa. It's a constant tug of war between buyers and sellers, each trying to gain the upper hand. For FLOKI INU, the current support level indicates that buyers have stepped in at this price point in the past, preventing further drops. If this level holds, it could signal a potential rebound. However, if the price falls below this support level, we may be looking at further declines. Similarly, the resistance level shows the price point where sellers have previously taken control, halting price increases. If the price can break through this level, we might see a potential rally, but if the price fails to break this resistance, it may retreat and face downward pressure. So as of now, we see support levels at 0.0001165 and resistance levels at 0.000170045, creating a challenging environment for FLOKI INU. Now that we've analyzed the current state of FLOKI INU, let's summarize the key points. We've seen that FLOKI INU is currently experiencing a downturn in value, with the price forming negative candles. This signals a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers, with the latter currently having the upper hand. The price of FLOKI INU at this moment stands at $141,096 of a dollar. The trading volume is substantial, with over $161 million changing hands. This indicates a high level of interest and activity around this cryptocurrency, despite the bearish trend. Speaking of trends, our technical analysis shows a continued downtrend with no signs of a bullish reversal on the horizon. The relative strength index and moving average convergence-divergence indicators are both pointing towards further bearishness. When we look at the support and resistance levels, we find them at 111,065 thousandths of a dollar and 170,045 thousandths of a dollar, respectively. These levels can give us an idea of potential price targets and are crucial to understanding market dynamics. Remember, while FLOKI INU is currently facing a tough market, the world of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and can change rapidly. Always do your own research and make informed decisions. Thanks for joining us in the Make Money territory, and we'll see you next time.